Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to translate a word in Canva. Maybe you saw an unfamiliar word in Canva, but you don't know how to translate it. So today, I am going to show you on how you can translate a word from Canva. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Once you open your Canva application, simply open the presentation where you want to translate a word. For example, this one. As you can see, this one is in Hangul. So what you will need to do to translate this, simply tap on this edit button and then long press the word. And as you can see in here, there's our option to translate. Simply tap on this translate button. And as you can see, that word means hello in English. There you go. If you wanted to know how to translate a word in Canva, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to translate a word in Canva, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.